students. How are you? Okay, so I hope you all have got or you have all seen the video of the first chapter, More About Myself, and also you have completed your classwork and textbook exercises. Okay, so today we are going to start with a new chapter, and for that new chapter I am going to do some activity for you. Okay. Hello teacher. Oh, somebody called me. Did you hear that somebody called me? Somebody said, hello teacher. And from which organ did I heard it? I heard it from my ear. Okay students, now can you see this bottle? Yes, it's a bottle. Can you see the colors? Yes, one is pink color, one is orange color. Do you see bottle matching with your teacher's dress? हाँ, it's matching with your teacher's dress. तो मैंने ये colors, मैंने ये bottle कहाँ से देखी? Which organ did I see it from? I saw it from my eyes. Can you see this food? Okay. This food smells so good. So your teacher is smelling your food from which organ? From nose. Good. Let's have some food. If this food smells good, I should taste it. This food is very tasty. So which organ told me that this food is tasty? Tongue. Very good. Did you realize which organ I am considering? कौन से organ को मैंने taste, कौन से organ से मैंने taste किया? Tongue. Okay, let me drink some water from this. Oops, it's very cold. So, which organ did this of my body told me that this bottle is having cold water? My skin. Very good. So, students, we learned 5 organs, 5 sense organs, and 5 external organs which we can see and which help us to recognize our daily activities. Okay students, so we saw 5 are external organs which we can see. Which were the external organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and our skin. But our body also has some parts which we cannot see. Okay, those organs are called as internal organs. And what are the internal organs or which are the internal organs? Brain, lungs, heart, stomach and kidney. So students, we learned about the body organs. We learned about external body organs and internal body organs. In external body organs, we saw eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So now we are going to learn about the internal body organs. In that, first one is brain. So here is the brain. That's how the brain looks like. Okay. So brain controls every action we perform. So brain is the internal organ which controls every action which we perform. Brain helps us to think and memorize. Whatever you are learning in the class, which organ helps you to learn all that things? Brain helps you to think and learn and memorize all those things. Brain is present inside our head. So this is our head and this brain is present here in our head. Brain sends signals to other parts of our body. So brain, like for example, I am your class teacher. I give you instructions. I tell you to do your work. Similarly, brain is in the head and that's the class teacher of our body which gives instruction to the other parts of the body. So students, we move on to our next internal body organ and that is, you will guess it. Now, tell me student, what is that we are doing even when we are sleeping? Can you guess it? What is that we are doing even when we are sleeping? Yes, you are correct. We breathe. So how do we breathe? We breathe through our lungs. Now can you see this? Our body parts, internal body parts. Now this 2 and 3 numbers are the lungs inside our body. So we breathe with our lungs. So when we breathe in, the lungs take the air in. When we breathe out, lungs take out the air outside. Good morning, students. So as in the video, you saw about the internal organ, and the internal organ was lungs. Now we are going to study a little bit in detail what does the lungs do. As I told you that while you are sleeping, what is the work which we are doing? We are still breathing, and we breathe through our lungs. So we breathe with our lungs. We breathe in, the lungs take in the air. So while we are breathing, so what organ does air take in? Lungs take the air in. So we breathe out, the lungs push out the air. Also the exhaling part, okay, we inhale and we exhale. So also the exhaling part is done with the lungs, okay. Now how do we need to take care of every part of our body, right? How do we take care of our lungs? We need to exercise daily. We need to do yoga and pranayam, okay. We need to take care of our breathing rhythms so that our lungs stay proper. Students, as we learnt about lungs, now the next internal organ is heart. Now where is the heart situated? Heart is situated between the 2 lungs. In the previous, you have seen that we saw 2 lungs. Now heart is situated between these 2 lungs, and it is situated towards the left side. And as I told you, it is a size of a fist. Now when you close your fist, the size of your fist is equal to as the size of your heart. Heart is a very important organ of our body, as it pumps oxygen, blood and other nutrients in all other parts of the body. Next, our internal part is heart. Now, heart is very important part or important organ of our body. Okay, the size of our heart is as equal to the closed fist of our body. So we have a closed fist in our hand. That is the size of our heart. So if you close your hand, you see your fist. So this is the size of your heart. Now why heart is important? Heart is about the size of fist. It is placed between the 2 lungs. We saw yesterday that the heart is placed between the 2 lungs. Now heart pumps blood, oxygen and other nutrients into the other parts of the body. So why heart is important? Because it pumps blood, oxygen and other nutrients, and it spreads all over the other parts of the body. Now how do we keep our heart healthy? We need to exercise daily and have a balanced diet. We should not eat junk food. We should always eat healthy food. We should eat green vegetables, many fruits, so that our heart remains healthy. Now the next internal organ is kidney. Now below the rib cage we have kidney. Okay, the shape of the kidney is like a kidney bean. In Hindi we call it rajma. So the shape of the kidney is like a kidney bean. Okay, now kidney is also a very important part of our body, as it purifies all the waste from the blood. Now the urine which passes from our body is because of the function of the kidney. Students, as you saw in the video the structure of kidney, we got to learn that there are two kidneys. We have left kidney, we have right kidney. Now what is the function of the kidney, or what does this internal organ kidney do for us? We have two kidneys in our body. Okay? Kidney filter out waste from our body in the form of urine. So whatever the waste in the form of urine is going out from our body is due to the kidneys. Now drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water or liquid to keep your kidney healthy. Now we need to take care of our kidneys. So in a day at least we should have 6 to 8 glasses of water or any liquids to keep our kidneys healthy. Now the next internal body organ is stomach. Now all the delicious food cooked by your mama is going inside this stomach. The stomach is having a shape like a bag. All the food which we eat goes inside the stomach and stores here. Now if we need to keep our stomach healthy, we need to eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Now students, as in the video, you saw a bag-like structure. That bag-like structure is called as stomach. Now stomach helps us in breaking and churning of food. All the delicious food prepared by your mother is going inside your stomach. Now eat hygienic food to keep our stomach healthy. We should always eat hygienic and healthy food to keep our stomach healthy. Eating fruits and vegetables help in proper functioning of the stomach. Now you all are good children. You all will promise me to eat fruits and all the vegetables to keep your stomach healthy. So students, what did we learn in this chapter? We learned organs inside our body are called as internal organs. Now brain. In internal organs we learn brain, kidney, lungs, heart and stomach. So very first the brain controls every action of our body. Then lungs help in breathing. Okay, lungs help us in breathing. We breathe in and breathe out through our lungs. Heart pumps blood to all the parts of our body. Now it is the main source of the blood for all parts of the body. Kidney remove waste from blood in the form of urine. So what does kidney do? It removes the waste from the blood. And stomach is the food storage of the body. So your stomach is the food storage of the body. Thank you.